Hello. Where are we going? Where? What? Is it hot? Yes, it is hot. Finn, you wanna eat inasal? Yes. Mina, you wanna eat inasal?
Yes, sir.
And who else are we meeting, Mina?
Joel Torre, favorite actor.
Excited ka na?
Yes. I want to meet artists.
Ano yung mga pelikula na napanood mo kay Joel Torre?
Mula sa Puso, sir. Andun siya.
Oo.
Siya yung patay-tatayan ni Gladys Reyes. Ang Pangako Sa'yo.
At yung anak.
Oh, yeah.
Yun yung favorite ko, yung anak. Yung si Claudine, di ba?
Oh, yeah, yes, sir.
Nakakalungkot nun.
Nakakalungkot nun, sobra.
Yung OFW yung kwento, di ba? Ay. Hindi. Meron pa. Yung sa kulungan. Shit. Ano nga yun, guys? Sikat yun ni Eric Mati. Shoots sa dulo ng dila ko. Nanalo yun ng maraming awards. Actually, may backstory ako with Joel Torre. Nung nasa MasterChef Philippines ako, hindi ako marunong. Nung time na yon, yeah, I know, Finn. Okay, I know, mommy's coming. Nung time na yon, hindi ako marunong. Tagal na yun. So, base ako sa Bacolod. Yung alam ko, English and Ilonggo lang. Hindi ako nagtatagalog. So, sa show ng MasterChef, Junior MasterChef, yung una, muntik na ako na natanggal, actually. Kasi hindi ako nagsasalita at syempre nahiya ako, wala akong experience. So, tinawagan ko si Joel Torre. Sabi ko, pre, pwede ka pabulig sa imo. Kaya do, hindi ko ma-memorize ang ako ng mga linya kay tanan Tagalog. So, Joel Torre spent an hour and a half with me on the phone. Tapos, grabe, as in, he just guided me. Anyways, ito na si Camille. Babe, gutom na kami. Gutom na rin si Finn. Kanina pa siya sabi, where's mommy?
Gutom na rin ako kasi nag-workout ako. Ikaw, kumusta workout?
Nag-workout ako sa computer. Alright, Dara City Center. Off we go. So, naalala mo na ang movie?
It's on the job.
Yan.
Pero yung last ko na napanood is yung Outside.
Ano yun?
Directed by Carlo Ledesma.
Oo. Oh my God.
It's a good movie, but a bit heavy to watch kasi syempre, especially as a mother.
Si Carlo Ledesma, yung director, friend ko yan, taga Bacolod rin yan. Tapos, he was my housemate in Australia. And we go way back. Anyways, okay rin kumain ng ibang klaseng inasal. Diba?
Taste is always subjective and kami ni JP, magkaiba kami ng gustong inasal.
Yes.
I mean, in terms of taste,
Oo.
Ako, mahilig kasi ako sa medyo matamis. Si JP gusto ng maalat na inasal.
Oo. And actually, tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng JT's. It's been a while. I'm excited kasi I mean, halos araw-araw ko kinakain yung inasal natin eh. So gusto ko rin, kumbaga it's like, say, adobo ng nanay ko. Gusto ko rin matikman yung adobo ng tita ko or yung mommy mo. So ngayon, gusto ko rin kumain ng hindi nating inasal. You know?
Actually, si Mina sobrang excited.
Hindi niya lang pinapakita.
Kasi fan siya ni Joel Torre.
Then, dapat nga magpakulot daw siya kaso lang naubusan siya ng time. Kasi medyo full-time job to si Finn. So, kasi si Camille, pag may okasyon, nagpapakulot.
Uy, grabe ka naman.
Perming.
Guys, sobrang old school na talaga ng mga terms ni Tito JP. Okay? I just air wrap my hair.
Air wrapped?
Hair, oo.
Ano?
I just wrap it.
Wrap it. Pero
sorry, ulit. I just air, is it air wrap or hair wrap?
Hindi mo nga alam eh. Perm na lang.
Hindi nga, it's just when you see me, it's just parang medyo magulo lang yung buhok ko.
Wavy.
Wavy lang.
Okay, Finn, we're almost there.
You want to eat inasal too? You can't eat inasal yet. But when we go to Bacolod, you will be able to eat inasal na.
Kasi more than 1 year old.
Yeah.
Brother, the JT's chicken, you know where? JT Filipino.
No.
JT chicken?
Chicken.
No. Indian?
Yeah, Indian.
No, I look Filipino. I want Indian. I want Filipino. Huh?
Indian is better.
Better Indian?
Yeah.
Okay, I come here.
Chicken or vegetarian?
But, huh?
Chicken?
Chicken. But I want Filipino. Huh? I want
Filipino, no Filipino.
no
Like,
good.
no spicy. This okay. No spicy.
Filipino no good.
Filipino.
You come with me. I go Filipino. You come.
No. Thank you.
Okay, malapit na tayo. Ayun na siguro yung kung saan medyo maraming tao. And sabi ng isang kabayan, uy, may pila. Wow. Sabi ng isang kabayan, open na pala. So I guess they got their permit. Oh, I'm so happy for them, really. I'm so happy for our community, our cuisine. Finally, nare-recognize na or mas maingay na tayo. Mas maingay na yung pagkain Pinoy. Look at that. Look at the line. Yay! Okay. Let's go over there. Ito Ken. Oh, tabi ng Kenny Rogers. Hoy, basta.
Dali sinabay ko na lang nila.
Ayun siya.
My son.
Hi, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, big na.
Hello, kamusta? Congrats. Tanan na mga Ilonggo, ari di kaliw. Aray, saman kay Ilonggo. Oh, Mina, ito na, pangarap mo. Hindi, Ilocano yan.
Ako, iba yung pangarap ko. Ma-interview ka.
Hello, sir. Kamusta kayo?
Ako sa'yo eh.
Ganun po ba? Oh, grabe. Ngayon ko na nakita yung ngiti na ganyan Para yung hindi ko nakita yan kay Finn Well, una sa lahat, ilang minutes or oras kayo naghintay?
Nantay ng order.
Ng pila.
25 minutes.
25 minutes.
Pero pagdating kasi namin dito, hindi pa siya
Di pa
hindi pa nag-uumpisa, hindi pa nakapag-cutting dito.
So nauna talaga kayo? Oh, buti.
Kasama kami sa 100 customer.
So libre.
Nagbayad po kami, tapos kinuha na lang po namin yung voucher para next balik namin.
Okay. Yung pangalawang tanong, kamusta?
Sarap.
Masarap.
So far, ito pinakamasarap na inasal na namin.
Sa Dubai? Sa UAE? Yan, ang gusto natin marinig. Taga saan kayo?
Dito pa.
Hindi, sa atin.
Sa Mindanao po.
Mindanao.
Sa Cotabato.
Ilonggo. So, sige, mga Ilonggo lang ta. Di ang sabor do lapit man. Lapit. Namit gid. Di pila kapila ka rice. Dua ka rice. Sige. Di halata man na doon na namitan ko. Do wala gid na. Ang tanaw tulaan na lang nabili mo. Ano na, bangros? Ay, may bangros sila. Wow. Mayo. Oh, tatlong paa. Garlic rice. Dalawang garlic rice. Tatlong paa. Isang bangos. Isang kansi. Isang apanama.
They have sizzling kansi, sizzling chicken sisig, and kansi.
Kansi muna.
Kansi muna. Sige, pwedeng isang corazon.
Uy, may batikulon. Uy, may isol.
Atay, hindi ka gusto. Siya batikulon, favorite niya.
Do, ara ka lang sa ato, no? Oh, may kansi, may sisig, may bangrus. Haring pinaka nami, oh. May atay, batikulon, kurason, isol. Okay? Saan guys, start ko sa Manila, sa mga 10 years siguro. Isa lang ko ba Ilonggo? Diri pag sa Ilonggo sa Dubai, do halos kada semana kay Ilonggo ko. Dili ara kay.
Dili yung subong, I think mga Ilonggo doon nag-full support lang.
Full support.
Kaya alam ko kada lamesa, takabakulot ko classmate ko, oh wow. Grabe.
Kaya ginmang uning lamisa niyo.
Oo.
Ito Mindanao sila pero Ilonggo roots. Kamba nila urig ko. Urig.
Ano na sila Cotabato. Kay ato ba sa that time tenancy tumudaw nga tag-Iloilo, tag-Ilocano, kita sa Mindanao to give land. It was in the 50s. So that's why tumudaw mo Ilonggo sa Cotabato.
Mas klaro na may mic na tayo.
Okay.
Oh.
Sige.
Ano ni? Pero ano ang feeling na grabe ang support?
Grabe, grateful. Tsaka thankful. It's a very humbling experience na gina-accept na dahil there is to buy. People are so welcoming.
People are so welcoming indeed.
I'm sure you feel that way.
And everyone feels so proud.
Oo.
Grabe yung pride na...
Pag a representation of our culture,
Yeah.
Kaya yung laban di ko nung inasal di
Hindi.
Indian. So
yeah, iba talaga pag Filipino owner, Filipino brand.
Like us. So we're both from Bacolod. So we want to represent our recipe, our cuisine.
And
that's culture, no?
Yes. And like what I said, kung baga there's an adobo for everyone, there's also an inasal for everyone.
Correct.
There's no such thing as masarap yung adobo na to. Depende sa mood mo, depende sa type mo.
When I always say, say when we opened in Manila before, we're not in competition with sila Chicken House. We're all friends. We just have a variation of it. In fact, we support each other.
Correct.
Magtatanong sila, I eat in Chicken House, I eat in Nenas and Aidas and all that. And I, of course, Salsa and Kuya. So,
ilang years na ang JT's?
22 years. We started 2003. Yeah.
How did it start in a nutshell?
My mom we had a catering business way back in the 60s. I was like 4, I'm not in school yet. In 1964, we used to have yung rasyon, prembrera.
Okay.
So before Cloud Kitchen was fashionable, a lot of families would go to the house and get their food. The family of Christy, my wife, kay Bobong Lacson, our governor. So there were about 50 families who drive into the house and get their food for lunch. So I grew up with having food all over. The busiest place in the house was the kitchen.
And the first branch was in Morato or New
Granada.
Manila?
Granada.
The corner?
Near sa Pagita. It's still there.
Super hip. Yung hindi pa hipster, wala pang word na hipster na.
Yep, the fact that a lot of artists came, mga filmmakers, and supported us, and a lot of Ilonggos too, no? So, proud to say that there were a lot of films that were really brought out from hanging there. Nakagawa na sila ng mga pelikula.
Parang imagine mo yun.
Kasi syempre when you're having a good time and eating well, creative juices flow and then you're happy. Alam mo yun. Ngayon, okay, tama na.
I remember JP when he was starting out. Kaya Ilonggo kami. How do you speak Tagalog?
I remember.
I said, just get the gist what they're saying and for repetition, so it's muscle memory. Okay. Ilonggo kayo? Oh, sige. Dito si Chef JP.
Hello.
Ilonggo kayo?
Hindi po.
Oh, sige. Kasi may bayad pag hindi Ilonggo. Sige. Okay lang. Dito muna.
Thank you so much po. Nice to see you.
Kumain na kayo, ma'am.
Thank you rin.
Nakapila po.
Nakabila.
Chef,
Pila na
chef.
po.
Worth the wait yan, worth the wait. Thank you.
Thank you, ha. Thank you. Si RJ. Oh.
Naalala ko, grabe. Tapos
You're hosting, no?
Hindi, ginpa, kuhan mo ko kay Gabi. Ginpa,
Si Gabi
ginpa workshop mo ko.
Kay Gabi Fernandez. I try to...
Dasun grabe. Amo tong turning point.
Because what I had when I was starting out as an actor, I had to get a coach din for Tagalog. Na para yung mga, for a while, no? So, you know the tenses, where to, so it helped out. Kasi sa pelikula nun, talagang, you really forced to...
So ngayon, are you half and half? Half restaurateur, half artista, or ano ang percentage?
I'm doing both by passion. Because of my mom, I started out food at a very young age. I used to be her sidekick. She'd bring me to the market. And I started theater with Peke at the age of 7. So these were growing up both my passion, and that's why I'm so happy na
Nako-continue mo.
Yung both.
At saka nagbo-blossom, imagine.
Well,
This is the second branch outside of the Philippines, or third?
We have 2 in Singapore and this is the 3rd. We just opened last month our 2nd branch.
So kulang pa ang isa.
No, our partners wanted to really push it, and so we did. But it took us, sabi ko, let's wait for a year before we open But actually, we tried to open. We opened one in Guam before, in 2019.
Pandemic.
Then 2020, pandemic hit us. And Guam is like a tourist town, no? If there's no tourists, there's nothing there.
Ito, you are in the heart of the Filipino community.
Tayo.
Tayo.
Kasi I always associate with JPK, fellow Ilonggo. We have this bond, we have this unspoken brothers.
I'm so proud. No, really, I'm so proud of what's happening with Filipino food. I'm so proud of JT's. You guys, grabe. And the tingnan mo yung food court na to. 90% are all customers of a Filipino brand. Diba?
I heard nga actually, this is one of the most, na tao at the moment.
At the moment?
Yeah.
Do you know that tayo, Pinoy, when there's something good, we break records.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I didn't know that.
Kasi strength in numbers tayo. So we really...
I can imagine 20% of people in Dubai are Filipinos.
Wow, that's a lot.
For every 5 person, may isang Pinoy. Can you imagine?
Tapos, kung...
21% if you have to be exact.
Sige. Wow! Do parehas with tsura sa ato, no?
Pwede
Tara.
Wala lang.
Picture kami.
Pwede kayo. Taga din ka mo.
Rin.
Nagkaon na ka mo.
Mag-order, laba pila.
Hindi na Region 6 NIR na na.
Salamat
Hindi man ni madula.
Hindi. Balik lang ka mo.
Maglapit ma lang.
Oo, sige.
Hindi po ako taga...
Hindi ka makalot.
Hindi po, pero idol ko po
Pay
kayo sa
150 picture ha.
Iloilo po.
Ate pwede. Ate.
Lalo po sa On The Job, Tatang. Idol na idol ko sa On The Job.
On the job.
On the job.
JP.
Saya, Lolo and the Kid. Ha?
Thank you. Ako yung anak, mga twice ko siguro pinunod. At saka twice rin ako umiyak.
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Togo, nandito.
Excited kami for the day. I tried po yung kare-kare na. Remember
Sa Bella.
Sa Sarisani we got.
Ito ang chef. Oh.
That,
What does espinado mean? Sabi niya, pierce hard. So, ayan, that's why I call it corazon.
Tingnan mo ang itsura nyo. Ano?
Ikaw lang hindi na pwede. Kaya sila mahimo kung sa
Uy.
So we have to...
Urig? Pareho sa atin? Ha?
Ari
Yung mga
atay.
itsura nyo.
Si JP Baticolon favorite eh.
Nakaon, before kumakain sa,
I eat the heart talaga. Si JP Baticolon lang. He doesn't like the heart.
we used to give it out. Para sila Robert Senya were drinking. So, yan ang favorite na pulutan ni Senya, ni Robert ko. Sabi niya, you should sell this. Because, di ba, when you buy the liver, the heart is just there. So, pinamimigay. And thank you, Robert. The favorite pala ni Camille.
Amuning isol, no?
Oo, may galing mo.
Namit? Ay, hindi ako makain.
Hindi ako
Hindi na.
Ang atay. Yeah.
No. Baticolon. Time ko to eat Baticolon in Bacolod.
Ah, yeah?
Yeah.
Ay, sa Manila, Jojo.
Wow. Kami siguro makinamot, no?
So, naubusan kami ng
Siya-
How are you guys?
Dinoble ko na lang yung soup. So, yung ano. Favorite so. Coke Zero siya.
Ara, bid ang istiwitis na sabor.
Bottle water.
Tapos ang brine sang inasal, ara.
Take it from the expert.
Doon.
Rob approved it.
Ang-
Abod.
Oh, ara gina-analyze ko yun. Yung asim, yung tamis sa dulo, yung lasa ng inasal na may, sikreto na yan. Pero alam niyo naman yan, mga notes, mga Ilonggo lahat. Basta. Yung mga notes ng mga spices, nandyan lahat. Pero importante, yung amoy, ang bango, nandyan. Tapos, mugini nga akong paborito. Duara, no to sa aton. Dugangan ta. Dugangan ta. Wow! Pero magbutang ka sweetest, jutay lang. Konti lang kasi marami yan. Marami yan. Manukan ni nagdako. Sang gahinupang pa lang ko ara, ako sa manukan. Tanan man kami mga Ilonggo.
Sabi niya he can eat inasal every day.
B2. Kami,
Oo.
we used to date. Jay, may Christy, oh.
Hi, Jay!
Congrats.
Enjoy. Oo.
Bungkot din.
Meron ako.
Do, pag simot ko, do baho pa na amoy shopping.
Inikslahanay pa rin.
Okay.
Iniklahanit.
Ay, wow. May bato.
Ah, Vera.
Hindi to man, I mean, growing up, I grew up eating kansi in shopping.
Oo, sa Charin.
For Charins. And when I smelled it, it reminded me of my childhood.
Coming from the man.
Okay. Yung asim nandyan from the batuan. Beefy flavor. Obviously there. It's rich. It's not, hindi siya dinaan sa, kung ano-ano. And the authenticity of the dish is there. So, sigurado ako, yung pila na to ay hindi mawawala. Palagi siyang magkakaroon ng pila because, maliban na masarap, because konti lang ang true to form dito. Yung iba kasi, sige, pwede na. Or, pag may obstacle, liliko na. Ito, dire-diretso. Nilampasan niya yung pader or kung anong obstacle at ginawa niya ang kanya. That's why I strongly believe in this ang gusto ko sabihin, I strongly believe in us. If we do it this way, then magtatagumpay talaga tayo. Dave, okay, sorry, yung asawa ko tumitingin niya. Dito kami
Coming from the man himself, grabe. Jay, thank you, git pa rin.
dito kami nag-aaway.
I'm so,
Sometimes it takes so long.
so it had to take the master to tell us we're doing the right thing.
And I'm not, seriously, kahit patayin mo pa yung camera na yun, I'll tell you guys the same thing. No, really. It's, iiyak mga ibang tao, tingnan mo sila. Sa amuning klase sabor, wala amuning klase sabor eh. Kung may ara, ginapadagaan nila kung ano-ano, blood, so ginapadaasig
Then they will
nila.
mask it. They will.
Daw wala sila kis nan. Wala sila pasensya or kay tungod guro na huya sila kay kadugay lutuon basi inilabos na hindi Pilipino mga kig.
Talagang amon nga sa part of our culture, wala yung shortcut.
Correct.
If you want to do it the right way.
Yeah. It's also the Ilonggo upbringing na we grew up with food and yun nga, like same with the Kapampangans.
And the Bicolano and the mga Ilocanos.
Okay, this is a strong contender. Very.
But I feel like in Bacolod, iba yung the way they love food. Parang, it's just so family-oriented. Parang diba whenever we go to Bacolod, parang everybody invites us to their home.
Correct.
Nobody says, tara, you should eat there, ganun. Come to my home.
It's better.
Which is, oftentimes, masarap talaga.
Babe, higupin mo yung sabaw.
I know, I tried it. So good.
I-mix mo because naman.
Okay. Hati tayo dito.
Ato,
Sige, minali ka na.
kain na.
Minsan ka lang minsan mo lang ma-table si Joel Torres.
Kasama pang asawa ko.
Ang brand may mukha, 'di ba? Pero ang brand may utak rin. Siya yung utak ng JT's. No, Paul. So,
Hindi naman. Marami kami mga utak.
Okay.
Ako lang leader ng mga mauutak. Yeah, thank you for coming to our opening. Thank you for coming, Jips.
Tita Pamela, Tito Batchoy, ang inyo bata, tanawan naglalambot na di sa Dubai ho. Dason kung diin-diin na pila na kabilog, ilang JT's na?
43. 40 in the Philippines, 2 in Singapore, and 1 in Dubai. Sunod lang kami kay JP, kay siya man din nag-una.
Filipino food conquering the world.
Thank you.